We're here today with our Advantage 2-post 10,000-pound lift. This one happens to be the one with the overhead since we have enough ceiling height in this building. We also make it with a floor plate that will fit in a 10-foot high building. After we install one, we always get questions, what is my maintenance? What do I need to do to keep my lift working right? So we're just going to go over a few of the things that we recommend you do. There isn't a whole lot. It's really pretty much a maintenance-free lift, but there are some things you can check on an annual basis, monthly basis, or whenever you feel they need to be checked. Now what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to raise the lift up and do a good working height. I prefer to go to about the second lock. Now I'm going to lower the lift onto the lock. One of the most common things that will need to be done is these equalizer cables will need to be adjusted. We have two equal length cables. One pulls as this is going up, it's pulling the other side up with it, and vice versa. As that one's going up, it pulls this. So it's a push me, pull me. The easiest way to check it is to reach in here, touch the two cables together. You should be able to touch them, but it takes an effort. If you can just go in there and they flop and go past each other easily, then most likely they're going to need to adjust it. And we can come over to the other side and test this. Now this lift is well adjusted. It takes about the same effort. But after some use, because it's a wound cable, they're going to stretch a little bit. So you're going to have to readjust them. And here's where you do that. You simply break this jam nut loose, take it off, and yet when you adjust this nut, it will pull tension on that cable because it goes down, around, up, and down to that one. Then come over to this side and do the same thing. Take the jam nut loose and tighten this until you get this nice, even tension. You'll know you're pretty close when you can push the button and you'll hear the locks engaging almost simultaneously. Hear how it sounds like almost one click. When they're out of adjustment, you'll hear bang, bang. Now, don't get upset if you have a vehicle on here and you get a slight out of adjustment because the weight of the vehicle can vary from side to side. So it might end up sounding that way. So I always do it without a vehicle on it. And again, you always set on your locks. And if you keep using your locks like you should, then them cables aren't really doing anything except carrying the difference between the weight from the one side of the vehicle to the other.